Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a yellow screen issue you are coming across on your Windows 10 computer. So if you notice your screen is flashing yellow or perhaps there's a yellow tint to it, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in Settings. Best match should come back with Settings. You want to go ahead and just left click on that. You can also click on the gear icon on the left side of the Start menu search results as well, whatever you prefer. Select the System tile. Left click on the Display option on the left side. And now on the right, scroll down until you find Advanced Display Settings near the bottom and go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to select Display Adapter Properties. Select the Color Management tab and then select Color Management button right here. You want to check mark inside the box here where it says use my setting for this device and then select the add button, and underneath ICC profiles you want to select the sRGB, i.e. 61966 slash or minus 2.1, and you want to go ahead and just left click on that and then select OK. Now that you're done that, you can go ahead and click on the close button. Select OK to get out of there, close out of here, with or just restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.